Nice! Alright, what's up guys? This is Aaron from Great Lakes RC. Got the Kraton out again. I made some changes the last time I was out here at the park. And I did the backflip. I actually do have a slight bend in the rear chassis. These screws are starting to loosen up, so I tightened them back down. So I decided to put the carbon fiber on everything just for any extra help with any flex, which I'm not sure if anything was flexing there or not. And then I also bent the shock shafts slightly, so I just went for the M2C shock shafts, the M2C pistons. So I changed the oil. I'm going 30 weight in the front, 35 in the back. So I think the 30 in the front might be too light, but we're gonna see how it goes. And I got the plastic ramps out. My son's out with Italian on 4S, and we're gonna have some fun. Yeah, you can. That truck has got wheelie power for days, even on 4S. So's this one.
Wow, glad I picked this truck because I can do wheels.
I know, it's an awesome truck.
That's why
All right, we're gonna see how these plastic ramps do with jumping this big beast. Nice. Yeah, I might have to go up in the front. Try it. Oh yeah, that was good though. You hit the brake. I like it. Beautiful. Nice. Ooh. Double backflip on 4S. Oh. Well, looks like my Kraton's been stolen from me. Somebody's commandeered it, huh? You're liking the Kraton, eh? We're gonna check the temperatures. Yeah, that fan's going, that fan's going. All right, let's see here. 160 on the motor. Yep, about 160. And the ESC. ESC is about 140, so we're about maxed out on gearing, I would think. Maybe you can go up to a 24 tooth, but you're going to be pushing the motor temp. All right, that's good. Let's see what the batteries are doing. 114 on the batteries, 116, that's fine. Connectors, yeah, that's pretty good. Pretty good. All right, let's see if we got any more bendage after sending that a bit. It's hard to tell. Doesn't look visibly bent. So we'll check it when we get home, but you never know. Let's look at it from the back here. Seems all right. Ooh. Nice! It launches nice off these plastic ramps. It's big, it's bad. It'll wheelie. It'll do backflips. Kraton 8S, man, it's an impressive rig. Catch you guys next time.